Okay, so I'm on day number 8, and yesterday I said I wasn't gonna come in, but like when I left, I was like, there's all this stuff I want to do. I feel like that's just how it's gonna be until I get it done, because that's just how I work, I guess. But I just want to get real with you for 1 second and let you know that this is more than just this big exciting adventure. It's a lot of mental stuff that you go through, and so I've spent pretty much the last 7 days working by myself, 10 to 12 hours each day. I hung out with one friend, I've seen my parents, and I've seen Aram, who owns the building, who's super rad to talk to, and I enjoy that. But besides that, I'm by myself, doing everything, trying to figure it out. I don't have like someone telling me what I'm doing is right or wrong or anything like that, which is cool. Like I'm okay with that. But there are several times during the day where I have a little like mini meltdown, and I'm like, okay, I'm putting all of this work into this project that I have this grandiose vision for and I believe in to the depths of my soul. But I don't have any money to eat right now. The building can get sold tomorrow. I showed up today and the for sale sign was missing, and I tried to call him to see what's going on, and he didn't answer. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but I don't, that's not the point. If the building gets sold, then that's what's meant to be, and I trust that whatever comes after this is even better. Or if it doesn't get sold and I get some opportunities here, I will be grateful for that. I try to stay in a constant state of gratitude for what I'm able to do here, because this is what living is to me. This is life. But yeah, it's hard, it's difficult, and yesterday I had to go home after I worked, and I had to write everything down, reevaluate, pump myself up, and kind of look at the game plan. I've been given some advice by Aram on making a direction, and I should probably figure that out, but things are starting to look cool in here, starting to come together. My vision is strong. I still see exactly what I want, and right now I'm just sort of cleaning up the space a little bit so I can see my progress a little more. But yeah, like all of the little things, I mean, it's a monumental task. I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show you. So here's like a little corner I started cleaning on the tile. And just for an example, I'm not really sure what this black stuff is. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of like enamel paint or something, but even with a razor blade, it's like incredibly difficult to get off. And just so you get an idea, it's all over the floor, like everywhere you look. So I'm gonna have to spend, several hours just scraping enamel paint or whatever this is off the tile. But that's okay, because it's, it's worth it. It's worth the little details. And here's my huge mess. I mean, I like to work in my art, and then I get sick of it and clean it all up. But here's a little like corner that's slowly coming together. I started decorating the air ducts, just with a concept. I have this like strong vision in my head of how this is going to turn out. I'm really excited to see that. And this is my inspiration piece right here. But yeah, so my little bed I made out of pallets. The trim, I just have to cover up the little nails and stuff, but I think the trim turned out pretty cool. And yeah, just keep chipping away. Ceiling here is all spackled to try to hide all of the flaws. And cool. All right.
Off-spec Solutions in Nampa is offering paid CDL training and safe truck driving school in Caldwell. They are the nationwide leader in truck driving training. Find out how you can start those 50,000 plus in your first year. Experienced driver. Start making 50 cents per mile right